This 2021 Forest River R-Pod 180 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, auxiliary battery, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, water heater, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, oven, stovetop burner, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River R-Pod 180 is 2,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.